Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fishing with Big D. Today I've got Little B with me out here. We are here at Hungry Mother State Park. We're going to try fishing a couple of the creeks and see what we can catch out here. We're going to first feed the creek that feeds into the lake. It looks a little shallow right now. We haven't had a lot of rain. And then we're going to work our way to the Spillway, I believe, and see if we can catch anything over there. We'll be using our ultralights. Little B's going to be using some Canadian crawlers. I'm sure she'll catch a bunch. I'm going to be throwing on my Light Max as well. But the lure that I'm going to be throwing today, I found this cool little Creem set of trout lures. I think that these will still do very well for panfish, guys. I really like these small minnows and these little critter bugs. You can find this at your local Walmart. I found it on sale for $5, guys. $5, 5 baits. Let's see if we can make this happen. Stay tuned. Alright guys, me and Brooks at spot number 1. We're trying out these little lures.
Oh darn it, they took my worm.
Oh, get you a new worm. Remember, you don't gotta yank it hard.
No, but I feel
And you gotta give them time to get it too. Oh, Big D hooked up.
I got the sunfish.
Got the first one. Oh,
The sunfish.
uh-oh, he got tangled. Thought I'd foul hooked him, but he'd actually. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got him.
Is that a sunfish, Daddy?
No, it looks more like a bluegill, I believe. Look at that, guys. Got him right here in the bottom of the jaw. Barely hooked him.
Got one.
Oh, Little B got one.
Holy little miss.
Oh. And there he goes. Quick release.
I thought he fell on me. Oh, look, it's right there. Oh, no, bye-bye.
All right, hold your pole up.
Mine's pretty. Not as pretty as Big D's, though.
Yeah, I believe these are little bluegill. Look at that, guys. This is a pretty little color on this one, ain't it?
We're tied.
She got him right in the top of the mouth. Kiss him for good luck. Oh.
Bye-bye. Here, want some food?
Did you get your worm or you still got worm?
I still got one.
All right, well, go again.
Yep,
There goes a creek chub. Look at them pretty ducks. You gotta watch these little bait stealers. Get out there in the deep. Oh, that's a little bass.
Not for you. They about still not ate, so that ate is an upgrade. Does do.
Oh, about got him. Man, this creek is just loaded with some nice looking gills out there. Fish here a little bit more and then move down. I think the deeper spots and the shady spots will probably catch some bigger fish. But there's still a few nice ones in here.
I got a bunch of them. Look.
Oh, got one. Let's see what we got. That's a good one. A fighter.
Fighting.
Look at that. Can't really tell on this one, guys. This one, I believe that's a bluegill, but he don't really have a lot of color to him. If you know, drop a comment below. Let me know what species fish you think this is. Got him right in the snoot. Look at that. It's pretty. He's got that little dot like a bluegill, but I don't know. That one just looks a little faded out. Let's let him go.
It was a pretty big one. I think my bait only was hooked once and it didn't get on.
I think we're drawing some of the big ones in. Just fishing. I'm waiting till one big enough comes up and takes a stab at it, then I'll try to set that hook. I think we've just drawn in a big crowd of the little ones. Oh, that one was big enough. We might have a big one in there. Oh. Sometimes you get a little excited and you yank that pole too hard. I think I might have yanked my worm off there. Definitely got a storm brewing up here. Waiting for a big boy to come along, take it. A lot of times the big boys will fight for it too.
Watch out.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, they'll be baited or on hook. Guys, give her a hand. Woo! Alright, I believe they've stolen my bait. Yep. What you got?
I'm hung up on something.
Don't step on my pole behind you.
I'm hung up on a roof.
Here you go. I got it. Hold on. Step back. How'd you do that?
Competition's back on.
Ooh.
Ooh, that was pretty. God.
Hold that.
Oh, hi, little boy or girl. I don't know what you are, but. Is every fish a boy or is every fish a girl or is every fish a boy and a girl?
They're both. Not sure how to tell on these.
I love you. Thanks for being my catch. No, I ain't actually kissing him.
Alright, you still got some more. Rehook him. Guys, we're here at the second part of the creek. We're just working our way down to the lake. Yeah. It's a little bit of shade out here, so I'm thinking we might find a few bigger ones. Hadn't really seen nothing big enough to go after my tiny lures. I might try one of them real small ones here in a minute. We're just kind of investigating what we got here on this side of the lake. Right now we're trying some night crawlers and some leftover Play-Doh bait we had. Just kind of getting a feel for what's out there. Got a couple of bluegill. Not for sure what one or two of them was. I was thinking maybe little sunfish. But this little creek is definitely abundant with life. Oh, there it is. Ah, I missed him. Oh, got him. Oh, lost him. Quick release, quick release. Does that count?
No. You didn't get to hold it.
Ooh, dang, what a bite. Huh. I cannot believe it. He missed that hook. Something just nailed it over there, guys. Nailed it. I don't even know if I still got bait or not. Oh, yep. Gotta love creek fishing, guys. This is so much fun. There's an abundance of fish. I like to sometimes come out here and catch my catfish bait if I'm going to use cut bait. You can normally catch a couple of good sized bluegill in here. And you never know what you're going to catch. We've caught some really nice fish with different color patterns. You never know what species you're going to catch. We've caught some little bass and stuff in here, creek bass. I mean, overall, it's just having a good time. You're out here with your loved ones or taking your kids out here to have a good time. That's what it's all about. It's beautiful out here. We got a nice little breeze coming in.
He has a fight's hair.
What is it with you and that branch over there?
I don't know.
Pull him out. Walk over here. Pull him out. Reel your line as you go.
I broke the line. He's off anyway.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, he is.
I didn't see him off.
He's off. He swam to the bank.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
That don't count if you don't hold it, right?
Right.
See what you got?
Oh.
Another nice little bluegill, looks like.
He's pretty. So I'm basically winning.
You're winning now. Oh, you just barely missed that little guy's eye.
Mwah.
Real kiss. You got worm guts on your nose.
What though?
Nice job. Give me 5. You really do got worm guts on your nose. What are you going over here for? Well, look at that, guys. Caught one on that little...
Look at this fish, Daddy.
That's a leaf. Look, guys, I finally caught one on the little trout baits from Creem.
I would touch it, but last time you told me to touch the bass right there, and then it poked me in my finger.
Yeah, they got little spikes on them.
Yeah, that you never told me about.
Oh, Lord, he got that one good. All 3 hooks. You guys, we're going to operate just what I'm tossing here. This is that Creem set of lures.
I'm tossing a worm.
Brooke's still using live bait. We're still out here having a good time catching a lot of fish. I think we're up to 8 now. We've probably literally only fished about 30 minutes. Let's see if I can't get a smaller line to toss on this. I think it would make it do a little bit better. The lure's got like a little sinking action. I'm just giving it a few little twitches, pops. And every now and then you'll see the bluegill run up and take a snap at it. That last one took a big snap at it. He ended up getting all 3 hooks. Don't ask me how, I do not know. But overall, we're still having, oh, it's under.
I didn't get it.
Oop, barely missed him. But we're out here, we're having fun, that's what matters, guys.
What matters is that I'm winning.
She thinks she's winning, but...
Because I am. You've only caught like 3 and I've caught like 4. Whoa, that one took a big chunk.
Yeah.
Look, you can see teeth marks. Well, it's gum marks. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Disgusting. But cool. Oh, well, that...
Alright guys, these little baits seem to be doing pretty well. I've caught some on the minnow style. Now I want to try this little jitterbug looking bait. See if this one has any luck. It's got like a little rattle in it. It's got a tiny little treble hook. I think this will do just as well. But so far I've caught fish on the minnow. Now I'm going to try this little bitsy bug or whatever they want to call it. Just going to tie a simple little Palomar knot on here. It's not a real big lure. Guys, we're in another section here. I'm going to throw this little, I think they call it a bitsy bug, from that $5 Creem pack of lures and baits. There's not a lot of weight on this, guys, and I got 3-pound line or 4-pound line, smallest I could find at my local Walmart. I love the little action this little bug's got. It's beautiful. I know you guys can't see it good, but he's got a wobbling, that little lip. Hey guys, sorry you didn't get to see that, but he come right up and he hit it. They will work on these little bluegill. They are hard fighters. Check that out. Oh wait. Oh, this is just too much fun, guys. Oh, believe that's another little bluegill. Pretty little thing. They are definitely abundant in here. Check that out. Let's let him go.
Got it. Gosh, he is a fighter.
That one seems like he's got some good color.
On a branch. There we go.
Let's see what we got here. I believe it's either a sun perch or a bluegill. I'm gonna call it a bluegill just because that's what I think it is. Like I said, guys, if you think it's something different, comment below. Let me know.
Bye.
Yep, you saved your worm. Yeah, so I've caught one on both styles of those Creem 5-pack for $5. I got it at Walmart. I switched it up. I want to try this silver with a little red eye on it. This one looks a little bit more natural, like a minnow. Just see if we can catch anything on it. This actually turned out to be a pretty good little trip. $5, 5 baits, and they seem to work very well.
I don't know, but it is something.
Looks like a good bluegill.
I wasn't even paying attention. I was paying the bubbles coming up and looked over. My bobber was all the way under. I was like, holy crap, it's the bobber. I was yanked it.
Ow, ow, ow. Spiked me. You watch my bobber for a sec.
Yeah.
It's a nice little catch. You want to tell them where we're at, Little B?
Today we're at the Spillway down for Hungry Mother. We caught a lot of bluegills down there. Now we're just gonna take a chance down here, see if there's any bass, bluegill, crappie, or anything down here, or even trout that we can catch.
Beautiful little creek that runs out here. This is the excess water flowing out of Hungry Mother. This area here normally yields a lot of nice bluegill, perch, and different colored fish. We'll see what we catch. Alright guys, I'm gonna try my little trout minnow I got here. I've caught some little bass in here a few times before. Let's try with this one.
You cannot be a fisherman without an Elsa bag. Okay guys? So I'm going to use these little crappie bites down here. See if they work. Last time I was catching bluegill off the dozens. Go check out that video. Down here at the Spillway. There is a lot. You can see some bluegill swimming around down here.
This little fella here took a stab at Brooke. Oh wow, this is a pretty little fish here. Barely got that little hook. Look at that, guys, beautiful in color. I believe that's a little sunfish, but it's got some awesome color to him, guys. Look at that. Run. There's a bunch right here in this hole.
Cool.
Look how pretty that one is.
Okay.
He bit that lure, as big as it is. Lure's bigger than he was. Let's see what you got. Oh, that's a pretty one.
I didn't see it. I thought you were just getting on it. It's very little, but it's super cute, and it works, so...
We got pretty little bluegill, I believe that's what it is.
Bye, baby.
Got one, guys. I think this might... Oh, wow, this one's a nice one. Look at that.
That is a sunperch.
That is a... I think it's a red breast.
It's a sunperch.
Look how pretty that one is, guys.
Did you catch that on a little bit?
Yep, I caught that on this little minnow lure by Creem.
Man, they must be burning that up. Right now, we still have better luck at Hungry Mother, but we're doing super good down here. We've only been here for not even an hour, and we've caught like
Wow, look how beautiful that fish is, guys. The colors on that. The underbelly. That's just a beautiful creation right there. Let's let him go. Hopefully he can catch some of these creek bass I keep seeing in here. Yeah, you got a little rock bass. Look at that.
Oh,
Red eye. I thought I seen one.
And who caught it?
Little B.
That's a rock.
Ooh, look at that.
Save my worm too.
Look at that, guys. Little rock bass.
Spotted.
Or a red eye. You want to hold him by the mouth?
Yeah.
Hold that little lip. It ain't sharp. He can't bite. Got him?
Yeah.
Throw him in. Good job. Uh-oh, it's raining on us, guys. Don't know how much longer we could stay.
We could stay a lot longer.
Well, if it's lightning, we can't. That's dangerous. Well, guys, as you can see, hopefully you can see, we had a bad thunderstorm roll through. We actually had some lightning. Me and Little B got drenched. See her? And it's coming down. That's going to be the end of this trip, guys. We're glad you came along with us. We're glad you watched it. If you had an estimate on how many fish we caught, put it in the comments below. I'll be giving out a prize for this video. I'll get in touch with you when I draw it. And as always, guys, if you're not subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit that subscription button and ring that bell.
And make sure you give us a big thumbs up. Alright, guys.